are on our way to Laguna Beach. It's Sunday, July 23rd. And so we originally weren't going to go to Laguna Beach today, but we're meeting our best friends. And I told my best friend, Sue, that we weren't going to go because we were feeling sick from last night, because yesterday we had a family barbecue. So we're on our way right now. She doesn't know that we're coming, but her boyfriend Tony knows, who's also our best friend. So shout out to Tony for keeping the secret. So we're almost there. I think we're about like 17 minutes away. And then when we get there, we're just going to set up and wait for them to come. Eee. We're so excited. We haven't seen them since like, what, 4th of July?
Yeah.
So check back in with you. We're going to set up our little umbrellas and our chairs that we bought from Costco, Tommy Bahama. Super comfortable. We're not getting paid for that. So we're just in this little canyon right now, and we're just trying to get off the street, but I guess it's the light up there or something, but I don't know if you can tell. There's like a whole line of cars. So I think it's a light, I'm not sure. But yeah, so we're on our way. All that traffic. Is that like bird poop? No, it's bugs. I think on your windshield. Okay, that's a bug. But yeah, so we're just waiting. So yeah, we're super excited to go see them. I can't wait to see her. I'm so excited. We have like a little beach mat. We brought some snacks. And hopefully we get there soon. We're like 16 minutes away. But the time that we're going to get there is saying that we're going to get there. It keeps prolonging it, so I'm not sure when we'll get there. Sad. So we just got off the phone with Tony, and the reception is so bad right here in the hill, and he's like, we're trying to talk to him, and we're like, okay, when we get there we're gonna send you a text. And then all of a sudden he's like, don't, and the phone cuts out, and we're like, what? Don't what? And then again, okay, we're like, he starts talking, don't, and it cuts out again. We're like, what the heck? And he's like, can you hear me? I was like, yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me for sure? I was like, yeah. Don't, cuts out again. I'm like, oh my goodness, what's happening? Is she right there? I don't know. So the game plan is we're just gonna go over there, and we told them what we're gonna be in with the red umbrella and everything, so they'll just come in about 45 minutes. So they should be there about 45 minutes after we get there, so it's fine because we're gonna chill anyways. But it was just so funny how he just kept cutting in and out, and every time he needed to tell us something important, but he just said don't send him the location because obviously she's with him. So but we're super excited because I told her I had a migraine and I'm taking a nap at home, which I actually did have a migraine, so I'm not lying. But in a sense, I'm lying telling her we're not coming. Maybe I got punished for that, for lying. I actually got a migraine. I had to buy Excedrin on the way over here, which it went away, so woo! An hour and a half later, we still haven't found parking, but we saw Tony and Sue. He saw us, but I don't think she saw us, and I think he's following us now. So now we just have to find a place to go. I'm like stressed out of my mind. This sucks so bad. Oh my God. So we're just gonna go back to the way we came. We tried this one beach, Aliso Beach, but it was just crazy packed, but we're just gonna try again. But they're literally right behind us.
The surprise didn't go as planned.
So we just surprised her by driving by her. We still haven't found a parking, but she was so surprised. We're just literally trying to find somewhere right now, like literally just trying to find somewhere.
Like I cut the neckline, like I haven't done that in a long time. Yeah, I'm like I told you. Yeah, it's right. You got pretty fast.
So nice.
Oh, it feels good.
I don't want to drop my phone.
Don't.
Just leaving the beach right now, and we're just gonna look for a restroom to stop by because the restrooms over here look kind of nasty, and then we're gonna go out to dinner. But it was so fun, and we were super excited to see them, and we just feel so good right now. Every time we're done seeing them, we just feel so rejuvenized and ready for another work week. But whoo, is it hot? It was so humid. Well, actually it was pretty cool the whole day, but now it's humid. It was a little humid. I'm filming this way and I'll film that way next. We're just saying bye. Oh, dinner was so good. We're so full. Shout out to who?
Shout out to Evan.
Evan from BJ's Inn. Where is this?
Where are we? Laguna Beach?
Laguna Beach, El Toro Road.
Security card.